This hairstyle journey is more than a makeover. It's a statement of confidence, style, and resilience. Begin by carefully examining the hair's condition, understanding the bald patches, and planning the foundation for the transformation. The scalp is cleansed, and any remaining hair is trimmed evenly. Cornrow braids are meticulously created across the scalp, forming a sturdy base. These braids ensure the extensions have a solid anchor, preventing slipping and ensuring durability. A breathable net is sewn over the braids to further stabilize the foundation. This net keeps the extensions evenly distributed and secure. The stylist begins sewing the extensions, starting at the nape and working upwards. Each weft is carefully placed, blending naturally with the client's head shape. Vibrant, blonde-streaked extensions are strategically added to create a striking contrast. These highlights make the hairstyle dynamic and fashion-forward. The hair is trimmed and shaped into a sleek, asymmetrical pixie cut. The stylist focuses on precision, ensuring clean lines and smooth transitions between layers. This step defines the final silhouette and enhances the overall elegance. The hair is flat ironed for a polished finish, with soft curves added to enhance movement. Edges are smoothed, and baby hairs are styled for a natural touch. A final comb-through ensures every strand is perfectly in place. Would you dare to take on such a bold, stylish look? Let us know in the comments.